Guys, today we're going to be playing a game called Concentration. Hopefully by now you've actually played this game before, but you need to get with a partner or you guys can have groups of four. And what you're going to do is you're going to take all your cards and you're going to lay them face down, and they need to be in a nice organized square rectangle. And so I kind of showed you a little bit here. Then what you're going to do is whichever player goes first, will pick two cards. You're going to flip them over. So two cards. So for example, maybe you flip over this one and you flip over this one. And what your goal is to look for is an antonym. And remember, antonyms are words that mean the opposite. So here's a perfect example. So we have lose and then we have win. So this would actually be a match. So then what you would do is you would take these cards away from your shape and then you would make a pile over here. So then the next person gets to go. And maybe they flip over this card and this card, but they are not opposites. So if that's the case, then you need to flip them back over face down, but try and remember really hard where those are. So if you find one of the opposites, maybe it's here, then you'll remember that the match was over here. So I did another example for you over here, quick, and the opposite of that would be slow. So that would go in that person's pile. So then the goal is at the end of the game to get the most matches. But really remember that you don't want to flip over the cards and put them back in a different spot. They have to stay where they are because it's really about memorizing where the words were. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have fun.